Hey everyone, if you're in retail, e-tail, or wholesale, you know order management can make or break customer experience. Today, we'll cover the biggest challenges and how to fix them. Let's jump in. 1. Inventory inaccuracy. Ever had a customer order something, only to find out it's out of stock? That's inventory inaccuracy. The fix? Use a centralized order management system with real-time updates and forecasting, so your stock is always accurate across stores and online. 2. Manual processes and errors. If you're still entering orders in spreadsheets, you're asking for mistakes. So, automate. Connect your OMS with your ERP, CRM, and point-of-sale systems. Plus, use barcode or RFID scanning to speed things up and reduce human errors. 3. Delays in fulfillment and shipping. Nothing frustrates customers more than slow shipping. Solution? Partner with multiple carriers, integrate with 3PLs, and offer faster options, such as buy online, pick up in store, or ship from store. 4. High return rates. Returns hurt profits and loyalty. Fix it with a clear, simple return policy, automated returns processing, and data analysis to spot patterns, like sizing issues or product defects. 5. Lack of visibility across channels. If you can't see orders, customers, and inventory in one place, you're flying blind. The solution provides a 360 degrees view by integrating point-of-sale, e-commerce, and ERP systems into a single order management system. 6. Scalability during peak seasons. Holiday rush? Big promo? If your system can't handle it, you lose sales. Go unified database, automate high-volume workflows, and stress test before peak season. 7. Rising customer expectations. Shoppers today want speed, personalization, and flexibility. Offer same-day delivery, curbside pickup, and use AI for personalized offers. And don't forget, keep customers updated every step of the way. Final thoughts. Order management challenges aren't just operational headaches, they directly impact customer experience. But with the right tech, automation, and strategy, you can turn these challenges into opportunities. And if you're ready to take your order management to the next level, check out Chain Drive. It's a complete retail management solution built to handle all these challenges. You can request a free demo today. So, what's the biggest order management challenge you're facing right now? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more retail insights. Thank you for watching.